What is private health insurance? Private health insurance is healthcare coverage provided by a private company, not the government. You can get health insurance in many ways, but health insurance plans typically fall into two large categories: private and public. Private health insurance is the most common way Americans get coverage. The US Census Bureau estimates that 66% of Americans have a private health plan compared to nearly 36% of those with public plans. What is private health insurance? Private health insurance is a contract between you. Private health insurance is a contract between you and a private health insurance company with mandates the insurer pay some or all of your medical expenses as long as you pay your premium. Insurance provided by a state government or the federal government is considered public health insurance. You can get private health insurance through an employer, the Affordable Care Act, Marketplace, or directly from a health insurance company. Public health insurance includes programs such as Medicare, Medicaid, and the Children's Health Insurance Program. Private health insurance companies may also offer private plans in collaboration with Medicare and Medicaid. These type of plans are called Medicare Advantage and Medicaid Managed Care plans. What does private health insurance cover? Private health insurance plans typically cover medical, hospital, and preventive care. They can vary significantly in terms of coverage but can help pay for a range of medical services such as hospital services, costs related to hospital stays, surgeries, and treatment received in a hospital, medical services, consultations, doctor visits, outpatient treatment, and preventive care expenses. Mental health services, bills for mental health treatment including therapy and counseling. Prescription drugs, partial or full payment for prescription medication. Rehabilitation and physical therapy, cost of occupational and physical therapy. Specialist care, visits to specialists such as cardiologists and dermatologists. Whether a private health plan covers care outside of your provider network depends on type of health insurance. Preferred provider organization (PPO) plans allow out of network care, but that care generally costs more than if you receive care inside of the network. Health maintenance organization and exclusive provider organization plans, on the other hand, don't generally pay for out of network care unless it's an emergency. ACA plans on the marketplace must cover 10 essential health benefits at minimum, which employer sponsored health plans also often cover. They include ambulatory care, also called outpatient care, emergency care, hospitalizations, lab services, mental health and substance use disorder services, pediatric services. ACA plans must cover oral and vision care for children, pregnancy, maternal and newborn care, preventive and wellness care, as well as chronic disease management, prescription drugs, rehab, and habilitative services and devices. The federal government also requires that private ACA health insurance plans cover birth control services and breastfeeding coverage.